I have here some Ramekins oven safe dishes. They're super, super pretty. Comes in 6 here, and they're gonna be perfect for baking little desserts or little meals inside these. So the lids are really nice, so they're nice and tight here. They're gonna be leak proof. It has a little vent here, so if you decide you need to microwave with it, it has a little vent. And then when you take it off, you can see that. And then when you push it down, you can tighten it, and then this is not gonna wanna come off really well until you release it. So to show you how tight it is, it's gonna be leak proof, and then when you release this piece, it comes off really well. So this has a double purpose here. You can use this for a little vent, and it helps seal it all the way so the lid stays on really tight. So I just put some water in it to demonstrate that it's gonna be leak proof. So once I seal it completely, you can see I can shake it. No liquid is coming out, so it has a really, really good seal. So now I'm going to bake in these to show you how amazing they are to use when you make something inside them. So now that I'm done making my creme brulee, I am going to put the lids on so I can put them in my fridge here. And it's super nice. They all have lids so that they will stay nice in the fridge. I don't have to cover them up with like plastic wrap or anything because it has this nice lid. So my dessert is ready to go. You can see they stack really nicely on top of each other so they fit really nice in the fridge. And the lids are nice and convenient, so you can have them stored really nicely, and you can take them anywhere you need. So I finished adding the sugar to the top of my dessert here, and it's super nice because it's a nice small size. It's perfect for little tiny desserts like I have here. And then I have these extra ones I can use for like other times, or if you're having a little party, it's gonna be perfect because they're super pretty and they're perfect to make your dessert look really elegant. So these Ramekins are super nice. The dishes are super, super pretty. They cooked really well with my dessert inside them, so it's gonna be perfect for anybody that loves baking and want really pretty dishes for really fun desserts.